How to use a semicolon in less than 60 seconds. Let's go. First things first, you need to understand what a sentence is and what an independent clause is. Simply put, a clause is a group of words containing a subject and a verb. Now, clauses can either be dependent or independent and essentially serve as the building blocks or the fundamental components of sentences. Now, independent clauses represent complete thoughts and can stand alone as sentences. However, sentences and independent clauses are not entirely synonymous. Now, sentences can include dependent clauses, phrases, and other elements, making the two not entirely the same. Now, how and why do we use semicolons? Well, besides it being the holy grail of punctuation, semicolons serve to connect two similar ideas when a full stop might be too abrupt. Here are some examples. I live in Thailand, semicolon, the weather is currently very hot. I have a YouTube channel. It's something I enjoy very much. And lastly, semicolons are amazing. They demonstrate a good understanding of punctuation. Can you use a semicolon? Let me know in the comments below.